she's dead, Jim. So after our little saga last night of the hose blowing out, I think she's cooked herself a bit and done a head gasket. So we tried a bit of chem weld in it. Bit of that stuff in it. Hoping that might fix the problem. We just needed to get to Alice Springs. But now it's just continually blowing hoses, getting too much back pressure in it. You can see that another hose is blowing out there. So this old girl's going back home. But the adventure's not over yet. We've got a friend coming across with Kev's other bike. He's got a cruiser, a little Yamaha cruiser. So that's going to be hopefully here by tomorrow afternoon sometime. We'll stay another night in Coober Pedy and then we'll head off the next day. So yeah, she's not all over just yet. Alright, so turns out Kev's blown a head gasket on his bike, so we've come to OME. Open 7 days a week. He's a mechanic here, but haven't checked this out. I thought that was funny. But yeah, hopefully we can get a bit of goop to get us out of trouble. Just got to make it to Alice Springs because then we're there for 5 days. We'll see how we go. Good day. Beautiful. We've had to take extra days now because of the restrictions. So we were going to go to the campground today at the border, and then we were going to go to Uluru, but looks like we might do Uluru on the way home. The adventure continues. It's a bit creepy. Okay. Anyway, this will give us a chance to have a bit of a look around Coober Pedy today. Looks like they still use the old drive-in. Oh no, maybe not. So maybe we'll do a cruise down the street. You alright, mate? Okay? Things are a bit stark. One hand down, buddy. Just full of pockets. Almost passed out again. few old treasures there.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Alright, so we're staying at the Coober Pedy Experience, Comfort Inn. Good place to stay. So room's underground, I'll give you a bit of a walk through. Got the reception area there. Staff here have been awesome. Looking after us really well. Go down a few levels. How good does this look? That's where you have your breakfast. You come in here, you pretty much help yourself. You come up here, it's pretty funny. You thought we had a bottle shop. It's the kitchen and stuff in there. You get your milkshakes and tea, they'll make coffee and stuff for you, homemade cakes. Hello. Hi, how you going?
Good, thank you.
Alright, room 14. This is our room, we've got stuff everywhere. All our bike gear, all scattered. It's got a little fan, pretty much stays the one temperature down here, but it's still quite warm. It's your shower. Ooh. There. It is awesome. Highly recommend coming here. So we've been here 3 days now. So yeah, we're still waiting for Kev's bike to get here. I'd say he'll be arriving probably about 9 o'clock tonight, I'd say, by the time he gets here. Alright, it's windy as hell today, so I'm sorry about the wind noise. But there you go, there's Kev's new cruiser. We'll keep him on the road. What do you think?
We'll be right. We'll be right.
You'll be right. Thanks, Steve. So there's the KLR. About to head back home. Doggies. Hi. We got a stranded puppy. Stranded puppy.
Get back on your bed.
So yeah, shit of a day for riding today. A bit windy, but anyway. But yeah, the adventure continues. Yay!
Take two.
Take two.